Shall we start, sir? Okay, good morning everyone. I am Pankti Patel. I am welcoming all the participants here. All the participants are requested to enter their name and given ID number, that PHPro00 and your ID number in the chat box. If you have any query, kindly type in the chat box. At the end of the session, we will discuss that with the sir. For today's speaker, the speaker for the first session of the today's PH Pro program is Mr. Mayur Khanti. Topic is mind, body, and psychology. He is a member of ethical committee of the Charoset, and he did his bachelor of homeopathic medicine and surgery from Bharati Vidyapeeth University, Pune. His LLB from SP University. Postgraduate diploma in medico legal system from Symbiosis University, Pune. He has done his certificate in cyber law from Gandhinagar National Law University, and currently he is pursuing LLM, that is Master of Legislative Laws in Criminology. He has conducted many webinars and workshops on happiness program. I here welcome you, sir, for this today's session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Pankti ma'am, for introduction, for such a nice introduction. I welcome everyone on this, what do you say? I'll not say it a lecture, I'll say it an interactive session. And may I request everyone to please turn on your video. Yeah, everyone, we have almost 35 participants in this meeting. Can everyone turn on their video, because what we are going to do in next 45 minutes is an interactive session, and if you just listen, it won't work. Can I request host to give me a spotlight or make me a co-host so I can manage it from here? Bala sir, can you make me co-host?
1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay. Yeah. So am I audible to everyone? Yes, no? Yeah, you can just show a thumbs up. Very good. Yeah, great. So what we are going to do today, first I'll put you all on mute. And if you have any question, you can just type it into the chat box and we will have a question answer session at the end. Today's topic is related to body, mind and psychology. Now, first question will arise. सबके मन में सबसे पहला प्रश्न आएगा कि भाई हमको बॉडी, माइंड और साइकोलॉजी की क्या जरूरत है, या हम सब लोग तो अभी छोटे से बच्चे हैं, जस्ट अभी ग्रेजुएशन में एंट्री लिया है, अभी 12th पास किया है, तो ये सब चीजें हमें नहीं चाहिए. या हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील दैट? कितने लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये हमारे काम की बस की बात नहीं है? Frankly say yes, yes, no. You can raise your hand. Okay, great. So I'll start my presentation and we can take it from there. Sharing my screen. Yeah. So today's topic, body, mind and psychology. And yeah. So I want answer from all of you on this question. Yeah, all of you may answer this question. Give a thought to this. Do you smile on Monday mornings? Yes, no, you can type into the chat box. Do you smile on Monday morning? Everyone has to participate. Okay, I'll allow everyone to unmute yourself and you can unmute and answer. क्या आप सोमवार की सुबह हंसते हो या नहीं हंसते हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Any other answer? Any no's? Okay, so many of you have written yes, yeah? Okay, some of you have even written no. Mostly, okay. Sometimes, okay. So what is it that makes you smile? क्या चीज है जो आपको सोमवार की सुबह को हंसाता है और क्या चीज है जो आपको सोमवार की सुबह को नहीं हंसाता? हाँ, समटाइम्स वाला चीज क्यों आ जाता है? कैन एनीवन आंसर? या यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड आंसर. What is that which is not making you happy on Monday mornings? Or what is that which makes you happy on Monday mornings? A new start to another week, okay. Anyone else? Now, let me tell you, your smile or not to smile totally depends on how was your Sunday evening. Yes or no? You can show me thumbs up. Yes, I can see many thumbs up on the screen. हाँ, तो आप सोमवार की सुबह हंसते हो या नहीं हंसते हो, ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होता है कि आपका संडे कैसा गया है, राइट? नाउ वी विल डू अ वेरी क्विक एक्सरसाइज ये समझने के लिए that why we smile and why we don't smile on Monday morning. Are you all ready? Yes, no? Now I want a full enthusiasm from all of you. सब लोग enthusiasm के साथ ये प्रोसेस करेंगे. अभी भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने वीडियो ऑन नहीं किया है. हाँ, so if it is possible, please turn on your video. Okay. So अभी हम एक छोटा सा गेम खेलेंगे जिस गेम का नाम है क्लैप गेम. Everyone ready? Yes. Are you all ready to play a game? हाँ, हिंदी is okay for everyone. किसी को सिर्फ गुजराती चाहिए या सिर्फ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज चाहिए तो चैट बॉक्स में लिख देना, वैसे करेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ, सो ये गेम के सिंपल रूल्स है. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे पता है? पोजीशन लेंगे ऐसे क्लैप करने के लिए, और इसके बाद जब भी मैं वर्ड बोलूं क्लैप, तो आपको छोटे बच्चे की तरह एंथुजियाज्म के साथ कंटिन्यूअसली क्लैप करना है, ठीक है? और जब भी मैं बोलूं वर्ड स्टॉप, जब भी आप वर्ड सुने स्टॉप, तो आपको क्या करना है? स्टॉप हो जाना है. डन एवरीवन? यस. So take your positions, get ready for the game. Yeah, and I am watching you all on your videos. Ready? So clap, stop, okay, clap, stop, clap, stop, clap, don't stop. See, all of you are clapping when I said don't stop. Okay, stop. Yeah. So instructions क्या थे? When I say clap, जब भी आपको word सुनाई दे clap, तभी आपको clap करना है. और जब भी आपको word सुनाई दे stop, तो आपको क्या करना है? Stop हो जाना है. अभी don't stop में भी तो stop आ गया ना? Are you all here? I can see everyone smiling. I can see everyone showing their teeth. Yes. क्यों हमसे गलती हो गई? हाँ कि ना? हाँ. So where is your mind? Are you all here? Yes, no? If yes, you can show thumbs up. No, you can show this. Are you all here? Yes. So second round, right? Now what we will do, carefully listen to the instructions. जब भी word सुनाई दे clap, आपको क्या करना है? Clap. और जब भी word सुनाई दे stop, आपको क्या करना है? Stop. Ready everyone? Yes. Can I get thumbs up? Okay. Don't clap. Okay. And don't stop. Clap. Stop. Don't clap. Again, see, 50% of you are not clapping when I say don't clap. हाँ, but instructions क्या है? जब भी word सुनाई दे clap, तभी आपको क्या करना है? Clap. जो मैंने 2 बार बोल दिया लेकिन आप लोग clap नहीं कर रहे हो, अभी तीसरी बार भी बोल दिया. No one is clapping. Are you all here? Yes, no? मैंने पिछले 3 बार clap और ये 4th टाइम बोल दिया लेकिन आप लोग clap नहीं कर रहे हो, जबकि मैंने stop बोला ही नहीं है. बोल दिया ना, अभी stop नहीं बोला तो stop हो गया. Are you all here? Yes, no? Yeah. So where is our mind? You know, it is very important that हम जहाँ पे है, entire exercise of life is to bring mind where it ought to be. Yes, are you all getting me? Yes, no? अभी आप मेरी बात थोड़ी ध्यान से ज्यादा सुन रहे कंपेयर टू जब आप इस मीटिंग में ज्वाइन हुए. यस, नो? यू कैन गिव मी थम्स अप. क्यों? वी डिड सम एक्सरसाइज ऑन माइंड. कुछ तो हमने माइंड में किया जो हमको प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में लेके आए. हाँ की ना? यस. सो नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाई डज दिस हैपन टू अस. हमको ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हमारा जो माइंड है वो हमारी बात नहीं सुनता है, राइट? सो वन बिग थिंग जब हमारा माइंड हमारी नहीं सुनता है वो है स्ट्रेस. बचपन से लेके आज तक हमें ये वर्ड बहुत बार सिखाया गया है ना, स्ट्रेसफुल होके अच्छा अच्छे से ये करना है, यू नो, ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है, गुस्सा नहीं करना है. पर कैसे नहीं करना वो किसी ने नहीं सिखाया. आर यू ऑल गेटिंग मी? यस, नो? हाँ. सो व्हाट इज दिस स्ट्रेस विच ओवरकम्स आवर माइंड? हमारे मन को ये स्ट्रेस ले लेता है. तो क्या है? तो सबसे पहली चीज स्ट्रेस का है टू मच ऑफ वर्क. बहुत सारा काम है, राइट? सेकेंड थिंग इज लेस टाइम. या एंड थर्ड थिंग इज लेस एनर्जी. आर यू ऑल गेटिंग मी? यस, नो? या. सो too much of work, less time and less energy. ये सब चीज जब इकट्ठा होती है तब जाके क्या होता है, एक चीज डेवलप होती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं स्ट्रेस. या और कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं है स्ट्रेस की. नाउ व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? फर्स्ट, हम काम को कम कर दें, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल. जितना काम हमें करना है, जितनी पढ़ाई हमें करनी है वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा. सेकेंड, टाइम को बढ़ा दें, which is again not possible. Yeah, so 2 out of 3 things are not possible. Reduce work and increase time. Third thing is increase your energy, and that is possible. Yes, no? Are you all here? Yes, no? You all can show me thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, so now how to increase this energy? हाँ, अभी स्ट्रेस हमारे माइंड को हमको जहां चाहिए वहां लाना है, वो कोऑर्डिनेशन माइंड बॉडी का बनाना है. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमको एनर्जी इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. एनर्जी इंक्रीज कैसे करने के लिए अगर ये जानना है तो पहले जानना पड़ेगा कि एनर्जी हमें मिलती कहाँ से है. सो देयर आर 4 मेन सोर्सेस ऑफ एनर्जी. फर्स्ट इज योर फूड, सेकेंड इज योर स्लीप, थर्ड इज योर ब्रेथ, and fourth is meditative state of mind and knowledge. So if you look out for these 4 sources of energy, you can increase your energy and reduce your stress. Are you all getting it? Yes, no? Yeah. So we started from what is mind, how much is it is important to bring your mind into where you want to bring it. Yes. And third thing is energy. So फूड, यू नो, कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कि आप अगर क्या बोलते हैं जाते हैं कोई क्या शादी में और बहुत खा लिया तो आपका एनर्जी डल हो जाएगा, फिर बोलते हैं कि चलो यार अब सो जाओ, कुछ काम नहीं करना. कभी कभी आपने फुल फास्ट किया होगा, यू मस्ट हैव फास्टेड, राइट? कुछ नहीं खाया पूरे दिन में, तभी भी आपका एनर्जी बहुत लो हो गया होगा. सो अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिफ्रेश योर माइंड. या देन स्लीप. अगर आप कभी किसी संडे को दोपहर 12 बजे तक सो गए तो उठ के आपको डल लगेगा कि ओ यार आज कुछ काम नहीं करना है. कभी कभी बिल्कुल नींद नहीं हुई, सिर्फ 2-3 घंटे नींद हुई है तो भी आपको डल लगेगा, फिर भी आपका माइंड रिफ्रेशिंग नहीं होगा. हाँ. देन ब्रेथ. लाइफ में कभी ना कभी तो आपको गुस्सा आया होगा. यस, कभी आया है गुस्सा, तभी आपकी ब्रेथ की पैटर्न चेंज हो गई, फास्ट हो गई होगी ब्रेथ. कभी तो लाइफ में आप डिप्रेस्ड हुए होंगे, तभी आपकी ब्रेथ कैसी हो गई होगी, लंबी, लॉन्ग ब्रेथ्स हो गई होगी. या. सो योर माइंड इज कनेक्टेड टू योर ब्रेथ. एंड मेडिटेटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड एंड नॉलेज. अगर बहुत सारा काम है, बहुत कुछ हॉच पॉच आपके मन में चल रहा है, आप वो काम अच्छे से नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड व्हेन योर माइंड इज वेरी रिलैक्स्ड, आप वो काम अच्छे से कर पाएंगे. यस, नो? आर यू ऑल गेटिंग मी? आर यू ऑल हियर? यस. आर यू फाइंडिंग इट इंटरेस्टिंग? यस, नो? शैल वी मूव अहेड? So now why does this happen? हमने ये जान लिया कि बॉडी और माइंड का कनेक्शन है, ठीक है। ये जान लिया कि हमारा जो माइंड है वो इन सारी चीजों एनर्जी के साथ कनेक्टेड है। हमने ये जान लिया कि एनर्जी कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। अब ये जानते हैं ऐसा होता क्यों है। तो मेन चीज इस ये होने के लिए है, सबसे पहले हमको हमारी माइंड की टेंडेंसी जाननी पड़ेगी। या सो व्हाट इज द टेंडेंसी ऑफ आवर माइंड? फर्स्ट इज इट ऑलवेज ऑसिलेट्स बिटवीन पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर। हाँ, हमारा मन कभी भी प्रेजेंट में नहीं होता है, बार बार वो या तो पास्ट में चला जाता है या तो फ्यूचर में चला जाता है। या एक लोलक देखा है, एक घड़ी का जो पेंडुलम होता है, ऑलवेज इट गोज फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस and it is never into the present moment. Yeah, so this is the first tendency of our mind. What is the second tendency? It doubts positive things. You know, अगर आपको कोई आके बोले I hate you, you will say हाँ मने खबर से तू आवत छे, you are like that only. मुझे पता है तू हमेशा मेरे को hate. If somebody comes and tells you I love you, really, you will have to prove it. तुम मुझे कितना प्यार करते हो, क्या कर सकते हो मेरे लिए, है ना। अगर कोई आपको आई हेट यू बोलते तो आप नहीं बोल सकते कि चल प्रूव कर आई हेट यू, मतलब तू मेरे को कितना हेट करता है। यू विल नॉट से दैट, यू विल ऑलवेज डाउट, योर माइंड ऑलवेज डाउट्स पॉजिटिव थिंग्स। या इट अट्रैक्ट्स नेगेटिव थिंग्स। इफ आई catch someone from here, say Deepen, yeah, so Deepen Patel is here. If I say Deepen, you look very good, you know, your dressing sense is awesome, your smile is too good, you know, yeah, and you carry yourself very well, you are just perfect. But ऐसा बोल दो कि दीपेन ये नाक है ना थोड़ा ठीक नहीं है, मम्मी से मिली कि पापा से मिली ना, जब भी दीपेन घर पे जाएगा तो फर्स्ट चीज क्या देखेगा? नाक। आर यू गेटिंग दिस? तो उसके पहले मैंने उसको 10 कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दिए, वो 10 के 10 कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स क्या हो गए उसको याद नहीं रहेगा। एक नेगेटिव कमेंट दे दिया, वो तुरंत उसके माइंड में अट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा। Are you getting this? Yes. And fourth and most important thing is, whatever you resist, that will persist. If you resist in yourself happiness, happiness will persist. If you resist stress, stress will persist. Are you getting it? Yes, no? Because at the level of mind, it attracts equality. It attracts equal things. So whatever is going on in your mind, that will persist forever. Yeah, and all these things are governed by three main gunas of our life, of which first, which is on your screen, is tamas. What does tamas do in your life? It brings sleep, right? So little bit of tamas is increased and what will happen? Laziness and lethargy. थोड़ा सा तमस बढ़ गया तो ओके, आज थोड़ा मूड ऑफ है, उससे थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया तो क्या होगा? हैबिचुअल प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, बाद में करेगा, आई विल डू इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स। उससे थोड़ा सा तमस बढ़ गया तो क्या होगा? लॉस ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, यार मेरी लाइफ में तो कुछ है ही नहीं, एवरीथिंग, मेरे को कोई वस्तु में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं रहूँगा। उससे थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया, इट इज नो मोर अ फन नाउ, पर्सन गोज इनटू डिप्रेशन। एंड उससे थोड़ा सा और तमस बढ़ गया, सुसाइडल टेंडेंसीज। So suicidal tendency is nothing but increased amount of tamas, extreme amount of tamas. Are you getting it? Yes. On the other hand, there is second guna, which is known as rajas. Now, what is rajas? Rajas is the things which allows activity. Yeah. Some of you are nodding your head, some of you are writing it. So why you can nod your head? Why you could clap? Because you have rajas in your body. Are you getting it? Yes. Now let us see, when rajas increases, what happens? First is cannot sit still. Body becomes restless. You know, किसी को देखा है आपने, कुछ दे दो उनको ऐसा पेन वेन तो क्या होगा? हमेशा ऐसे ऐसे घुमाते रहेंगे, नहीं तो वो पेन किची 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 होता है, वो करते ही रहते हैं कुछ लोग। You know, yes, they cannot sit still. नहीं तो पैर ऐसे ऐसे, नहीं तो हाथ ऐसे, कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है। Why does that happen? Increased amount of rajas. Now when little bit of rajas is increased, bombarded with thoughts. So many thoughts come in your mind, you cannot, क्या thoughts, अच्छा ये भी विचार आ रहा है, वो भी विचार आ रहा है, सब कुछ आपके मन में आ रहा है. थोड़ा सा और बढ़ जाता है, क्या होता है? Indecisiveness, yeah, impatience and indecisiveness. Are you all getting it? You cannot decide what to do. पता ही नहीं चलता मैं क्या करूं. थोड़ा सा उससे और बढ़ जाता है क्या? Anger and aggression. Some people are anger bomb, you know. आप उनके पास जाओ and bam, they just start. Blah 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 blah, पूरा गुस्सा उनका हो जाता है. Yes. उससे थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाता है. Again, it is no more a fun. Violence. Then you just read into the news कि 12-15 साल के बच्चे ने गन लेके सबको मार दिया, शूट कर दिया. Are you all getting it? So increased amount of rajas, violence to self, suicidal tendencies. Increased amount of rajas is violence to society. Increased amount of tamas, violence to self, suicidal tendency. Yeah, and increased amount of rajas, violence to society. So what is the solution? We cannot say eliminate rajas, eliminate tamas. No, we cannot say that. So what is the solution? Solution is the third guna, which is known as sattva. What is sattva? Sattva is purity, beauty, peace, joy, and enthusiasm. A perfect balance of rajas and tamas is what we call sattva. Yes. Now when sattva is high, when both the energies are rajas and tamas are balanced, what happens? You can meditate effortlessly easy. आप आंख बंद करो और ध्यान कर सकते हो. No thoughts will bother you. Yeah. You feel lightness, centeredness, and cheerfulness. Yeah. Your efforts bear fruits very quickly. आप जो भी काम करते हो उसका results जल्दी, बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. Results more than you expect and earlier than you expect. Are you getting it? Yes. What we call success and extreme good luck. Yeah. So entire exercise of our life is to balance rajas and tamas, and what we call extreme good luck and success, to achieve that thing what we want in our life. Yes, no? Are you all here? Are you all here? Yes. Yeah. So let us revise quickly. What did we learn? First we learn what is mind. Yeah. मन क्या है, उसका बॉडी के साथ क्या रिलेशन है. फिर हमने एक्सरसाइज किया जिससे वी कैन ब्रिंग माइंड टू द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. या देन वी सॉ टेंडेंसीज ऑफ माइंड. वो ऑसिलेट करता रहता है, पॉजिटिव को डाउट करता है, नेगेटिव को अट्रैक्ट करता है. वो क्यों होता है? 3 गुणास की वजह से होता है, रजस, तमस एंड सत्वा. या आर यू ऑल हियर? आर यू ऑल गेटिंग? आर यू फाइंडिंग इट इंटरेस्टिंग? शैल वी मूव अहेड? ओके. सो ये हमने किया. अभी नाउ आई वांट टू नो व्हाट इज सक्सेस एंड एक्सट्रीम. हमने देखा कि सक्सेस एंड एक्सट्रीम गुड लक, वी हैव टू रीच देयर. हाउ कैन वी रीच देयर? व्हेन आवर बॉडी माइंड इज कोऑर्डिनेटेड वेरी वेल. Otherwise we cannot reach to that success and extreme good luck. Yeah. So now I want to know from you all, what is success according to you? Success matlab kya? So any one of you can raise hand, or either you can unmute yourself and say. Yeah. According to you, what is success? You can even write into the chat box. Anyone? You can unmute yourself and say. कोई भी अपने आप को unmute करके बोल सकता है. आपके हिसाब से सक्सेस मतलब क्या? Achieving your goals. Okay. Shrushti Patel is saying achieving your goals. Very good. Khushali is also saying achieving your goals. Yeah. Anyone else? What is success according to you? Acha, let me put it. An outcome of hard work and smartness. Okay, very good. Injil Alad is saying an outcome of hard work and smartness. Okay, good. Yeah. Now let me put it to you other way. To become successful, what do you need? For example, Hiral is saying hard work plus luck equals to success. So you require hard work and luck to become successful. Yes? Yeah? Okay. Then Sagar is saying we can enjoying every moment of life. Okay. Hitiksha is saying my identity, my value. Yeah. Mansi is saying a big or small task, complication perfectly. Okay. Yeah. So what do you need to be successful? चलो. आपको successful होने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Come on, speak up. यहाँ पे कोई आपको punishment नहीं देने वाला. Yeah. Brain, okay. Hard work, very good. Urvi saying determination. Khushali saying hard work. Yeah. Angel is saying brain. Yeah. Somebody said, I just missed it out. Somebody unmuted and said. Yeah. Focused mind, very good. Patience, hard work, interest and luck, very good. Yeah. Nitisha is saying this. Then Hitakshi is saying good guidelines. Shrishti is saying focused mind. Yesha is saying hard work and patience. Okay. Stick to your goal. Okay. Krutagni is saying that. Rajvi is saying discipline. You don't need a degree to become successful. Do you need a degree to become successful? Yes, no? If yes, you can show thumbs up. Yeah, Deepen, you want to say something?
Yeah, degree and also some skills.
Degree and skills. Very good. Yeah. Monica is saying happiness, patience, and hard work. Very good. Set your goal, hard work, be patient, and you'll achieve success. Okay, great. So all of you have got idea what do you need to be successful. I can divide being successful, ingredients of being successful into two things. One is your domain expertise. Domain expertise means what? Something which you learn, you know, you all are into physiotherapy. Yes. Yeah. So being physiotherapy, you should know what are bones, what are muscles. Yeah. Something like that related to your field. Yeah. And soft skills means how to achieve that, you know, your personality, your ability to handle stress, something like that. Are you all getting it? Yes. Angel wants to say something. You can unmute yours. Okay, okay, great. Yeah. Okay. So degree can be a goal, but not a perfect definition of success. Very good. Mitisha is saying that. Yeah. Okay. So now I put a question to you. Now you got something known as domain expertise, something known as soft skills, which you need in your life. So tell me, out of how many percentage you need soft skill, and how many percentage out of 100 you need domain expertise to be successful? What is answer according to you? Out of 100, how many percentage you need domain expertise and how many percentage you need soft skills to be successful? Because after all, whatever you study in your 4 years, you have to convey it to your patients in your 4-5 minutes. Are you all getting it? Yes. So somebody saying 50-50. Okay. 50-50. Yeah. Any other answer other than 50-50? Both 50-50. Very good. Yeah. Any other answer? Okay, everybody is going to 50-50. So now let me share you a very interesting thing. Yeah, so we get stopped here. So now let us understand. Okay, this I'll take it later on. First of all, yeah, things needs to be successful. First is domain expertise. We saw this, and second is soft skill. Yeah. Now, what happens in our life is understanding success. Domain expertise is knowledge about your chosen field of specialization, and soft skill is what? Ability to handle stress, interpersonal skills, confidence, decision making, clarity of thoughts, good setting, etc. Yeah. So you all said, most of you said 50-50. How much we need, do you know? According to recent study from the Stanford University, you need how much domain expertise? Only 12.5%. And you need 87.5% soft skills. What did Stanford University did? They brought 1,000 CEOs to their university and they asked them how much you are successful, you know, so how much do you divide? And this is the result in front of you. And what we do, time, efforts, and money we spent in gaining domain expertise is more than 93%. and time, effort and money we spent in gaining soft skills is less than 7%. Are you all getting this? Yes. So domain expertise is most important thing, you know, don't get me wrong. अच्छा ऐसा मत बोल देना कि भाई डिग्री तो जरूरत ही नहीं, डिग्री नहीं है, you don't stand anywhere, but it is 12.5%, and to be successful you need 87.5% of your soft skills. Are you all getting it? Yes, because ultimate goal of your life is what? Being happy. Yeah, ultimate goal, you know, why do you earn money, why do you what do you say, do your job, why do you study? The end result is being happy, increasing your sattvic level. Yeah, are you all getting me? Yes, no? So what happens when you become happy? What happens? Somebody is writing annotations, can you please stop it? Okay. Yeah, so somebody yeah, so what is happiness according to us? Yeah, let us understand now happiness. What happens when we are happy? So there are few hormones, you know, you all are into paramedicals, you will learn this. Yeah, so dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, endorphins, these are all what? Happy hormones. Yeah, are you all getting it? And what happens when you are stressed? Cortisol, adrenal, few of them, there are many of them, but this gets released. So then now recent study says, if you meditate every day, if you do pranayama, if you do sudarshan kriya, if your mind and body is in complete harmony, your immune cell counts increases by 33%. And this is medically proven fact. I myself am a medico legal person. Yeah, so these are medical proven facts. Your stress hormone reduces to 56.6%, and your life satisfaction increases 21%. Yeah, if you continuously do these practices for 6 weeks, immune cell counts will increase. If you continuously do it for 2 weeks, stress hormone starts reducing, and within 1 week you get life satisfaction increase by 21%. Are you all getting it? Yes. So entire point is what? Your mind should be there where you want it. This body is a gift from divine. Yeah. So honoring that body, honoring that mind will bring you to success. Are you all getting it? Yes, no? So now do you understand your body-mind relationship? Yes, no? Yeah. It is not that when your body is somewhere, your mind is also there. You need to bring it back and back to that present moment, to that, what do you say, that thing where you want it to be. Can I get a thumbs up? Yes, no? Yeah. Margi wants to say something. She's raising hand. You can unmute yourself, Margi.
No, sir, it's by mistake.
It's by mistake. Okay. Yeah. Great. Yeah. So are you all getting till now? Everything is clear? Any questions? Any confusion? Yeah. So such important is our mind. And हमने आज तक हमारे मन को कभी प्राधान्य दिया ही नहीं. Are you all getting it? Yes, no? I'll share you a very interesting fact, you know. There is a tradition in South. कि जब भी उधर शादी होती है ना, तो उनको एक पर्टिकुलर स्टार है, इट इज अ ट्विन स्टार, अरुंधति वशिष्ठा, आपने कभी सुना होगा या यू कैन सर्च इट ऑन गूगल. सो जब भी शादी होती है तो फिर उसको क्या होता है, शाम को हस्बैंड वाइफ को वो अरुंधति वशिष्ठा के सामने देखना होता है. They have to look at that in the sky, you know. So when I got to know this, I went very crazy, you know. मैंने कहा ये क्या tradition है कि अरुंधति वशिष्ठा के सामने देखना है. So after that, what happened was I little bit researched, you know. There is a very interesting talk by Khurshid Bakliwala on YouTube. You can search spirituality, you know, what do you say? Science of spirituality. You can search it. I'll share the link as well. So what happened when I researched, generally Arundhati Vasishtha, they are twin stars. So generally twin star में क्या होता है, एक star stagnant होता है, दूसरा उसके आजू बाजू rotate करता है. Now obviously husband wife should not be like this. सो मैंने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया तो सिर्फ ये अरुंधति वशिष्ठ स्टार ट्विन स्टार ऐसे हैं जो दोनों एक दूसरे के आजू बाजू रोटेट करता है. या सो नाउ दिस ट्रेडिशन इज 5000 year old. So first thing is knowing that a dot in the sky is not a single star but a twin star. Second, it does not rotate this way but this way. And third, to do this without help of telescope. How was this possible? You know, there is only one answer to this, because all our scientists were saints. All of them used to do pranayama. All of them used to do Sudarshan Kriya. All of them used to, meditate every day. Yeah, and then after a practice, you just close your eyes and you can be wherever you want to. You can excel, you can sharpen your intellect like anything. Yes, you've heard of rust-proof iron? Yeah, there are two pillars in India which are rust-proof. One is in front of Qutub Minar in Delhi, and other is in south in Kolur. सो कोलूर तो ऐसा था कि जहाँ पे कोई शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स के लोगों ने आदि शंकराचार्य को वेलकम करने के लिए बनाया. तो दिल्ली का पोल्यूशन भी वो रस्ट प्रूफ आयरन का जो पोल है ना, उसको आज तक उसमें रस्ट नहीं लगा है. सो दिस नॉलेज is still there in India. I will not say was there, it is still there in India. And you can, excel into this knowledge by practicing all this thing. Yes, are you all getting it? Yeah, okay. I am not saying that practice only this thing. No, it is a perfect balance. Why do you want to practice Sudarshan Kriya? Why do you want to practice meditation? Why do you want to practice pranayama? Because you can excel in your studies, because you can excel in your job, because you can achieve highest level of success. Spirituality is not going to Himalayas chanting Om and turning blue out of cold. No, that is not spirituality. The real use of spirituality is in samsara, in the, what do you say, this all creation, this entire creation. Are you getting it? Yes. अगर आप कुछ स्पिरिचुअल करते हो और उसका बेनिफिट आपका इंटेलेक्ट शार्प हो जाता है और आप जंगल में जाके ऑरेंज कपड़े पहन लेते हैं, इट इज नो यूज. द मेन यूज इज इन सोसाइटी, रिमेनिंग इनटू द सोसाइटी एंड बीइंग काम एट अ टाइम. आर यू गेटिंग इट? यस, नो, या सब कुछ समझ में आया सब लोगों को? डू यू गेट दैट? what was the topic of today's topic? Body and mind. Yeah, do you get a little bit glimpse of it? Yes, no? Good, very good. So anyone has any questions? Do you have any question? Yeah, so I'll quickly run to the PPT. You all saw this. So now these are few of the hurdles. हमको ये सब कुछ चीजें मालूम है कि भाई ऐसा है, बॉडी माइंड ऐसा है, रजस तमस सत्व, सब कुछ आ गया. सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट हर्डल इन आवर लाइफ इज व्हाट? इमोशनल गार्बेज. योर इमोशंस हैंडल योरसेल्फ. या, our emotions handle us. Second is what? Waving mind. Yeah, so our mind keeps waving. Third hurdle is affected by the environment. Whatever is happening, change around you, you are affected by that. Yeah, a group consciousness works on us. But if you, I tell you from my experience, if you continuously do these practices, you will affect the environment rather environment affecting on you. Yes. Third is decision making. Always we have fear of failure. अगर ऐसा करके मैं फेल हो गया तो क्या? अरे life is long यार, don't worry about fear of failure. Just come up again with enthusiasm and move on. Yeah. પેલી કે પેલાએ ના પાડી દીધી એટલે આપણે તો એકદમ ગયા. No, there are 700 million people on this earth. Someone else must be waiting for you. So don't stop on that emotional garbage thing. Are you getting it? Yes. Very good. Yeah. So then, do you have any questions? You can unmute yourself and ask the questions. Any questions? We are going to end this session in 7 minutes, 5-7 minutes. Any questions? Good. So you can connect to me. These are the details. Yeah. We have a WhatsApp broadcast where you get all the updates. You know, if I have some sessions like this, I conduct online meditation and breath workshops. So you can just send me a WhatsApp on the given number and tell that please add me to the broadcast list. And regularly you will get updates of such kind of. Did you all enjoy today's session? Yes, no? You can give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, good, great. So such sessions, we send such request. If you have, you know, if you want to add, you can just send me a WhatsApp and I'll add you to broadcast. You can connect to me on Facebook, Elements, yeah, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere, and I'll be happy to help you.
There is one
Okay.
question. I'm sorry, sir. So there is
Yeah,
one
yeah, please.
question.
Yeah.
How can we? It is from Mitisha. How can we resist happiness in our life?
You know, resisting happiness in your life, simple, increase your sattvic level. Balance your rajas and tamas and happiness will dawn. Yeah. Now, entire thing you have to revise, you know, what are the hurdles? You can overcome of that hurdles through meditation, pranayama. Yeah. So pranayama meditation, how much ever bore, although you attend my classes, I don't take boring classes of meditations and pranayama, but how much ever you do that, happiness will come to you. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
But like we enjoy our day happily, and like at the end of the day something happens and like our happiness gets ruined or our day gets ruined.
See,
So at that time, how should we like control ourselves
yeah.
and be happy at that time too?
See, being a human being, each and every emotion will come up to you. Be it anger, be it depression, be it violence, be it love, whatever. Yeah. But the thing is, how much time does it stay? That is most important. If you are angry with someone, how much time does it stay? That is to be reduced. Yeah. So by regular practice of these things, the time which it stays would gradually slow down. हाँ, अगर आपका पूरा दिन अच्छा गया और शाम को ऐसा कुछ हो गया कि आपका पूरा मूड ऑफ हो गया, तो वो होना ही है, बट वो कितने टाइम रहता है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, और आप कितने टाइम उसमें से बाहर आ सकोगे, दैट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ bringing your mind to present moment. Regular practice of pranayama, just 10-15 minutes every day pranayama meditation, and gradually you will master your mind. Yes, have I answered your question? Yes, no? Okay, so thank you so much. You know, this is a famous tale of Tom and Jerry. You know, they fight with each other, they, you know, क्या बोलते हैं, पूरा दिन ये होता रहता है, बट जब भी दूसरे पे कोई भी तकलीफ आती है तो हमेशा खड़े हो जाते हैं. You know, so body and mind is like Tom and Jerry. So perfect friendship of Tom and Jerry will bring you success, will bring positivity in your life. Yeah, will bring happiness in your life. Yeah, I am achieve my goal and will. Yeah, see, again, I have answered Monica's question as well. Yeah, when you achieve, there are failures, there's everything will come into your life, but most important thing is how much time does it stay. Yeah, so you need to shift from one thing to other, go from one success to another success. Yes, are you all getting it? In your sort of time, last 1 minute is left. You can ping me on my communication details which I just shared, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Yeah, okay. Are you all happy now? Yes, no? Yes. So you've seen gramophone. Gramophone देखा है सब लोगों ने? एक ऐसा स्पीकर होता है एंड फिर नीचे ऐसे बहुत बड़ा सीडी ब्लैक कलर का होता है, फिर उसके ऊपर क्या होता है? पिन. तो जैसे ही वो घूमता है तो पिन क्या होता है? सुहाना सफर और यह मौसम हंसी. अगर वो पिन चिपक गया तो क्या होता है? बार बार एक ही चीज बजती है, मौसम हंसी, मौसम हंसी, मौसम हंसी, मौसम हंसी. हर्ड दैट? यस. हमारे मन का भी वैसा ही है, वो पिन चिपक गया तो वही वही बचता रहता है, उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. तो सिर्फ 2 पिन चिपकाओ, एक यहाँ पे एंड यहाँ. बी हैप्पी. ओके,
Thank you,
thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you so much for the thoughtful information. Thank you so much. So here we take a break for 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. Mayur sir.
Hi, sorry, give me 5 minutes. I'm driving. I have to park my car somewhere and then talk to you all.
Sure, sure. Thank you, Mayur sir, for your.
Bala, give me 5 minutes.
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
It's pleasure listening to you after a long time.
Yes, sir. And I have made you host again, so you can operate
Thank
from
you,
your.
thank you.
Yeah.
Hope the
Okay,
students
thank you so
enjoyed.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, students, bye. We'll see you soon. Okay. And be in touch. Keep smiling. Bye bye. I leave the meeting. Thank you.